Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LinkedIn message search results for job hunting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the keywords related to your job search in the search bar. After entering the keywords, press the Enter key. On the results page, you'll see various filters at the top. Click on the Messages filter to narrow down your search specifically to messages. Review the search results for any relevant messages or connections. If you need to refine your search, consider using additional filters. This can include location, company, or date of the message. Once you have found the relevant messages, you will need to capture this data. Unfortunately, LinkedIn does not have a built-in feature to download message search results directly. To work around this, consider taking screenshots of the relevant messages. Ensure that all important details are visible in the screenshots. You can also copy text from the message area. Paste this text into a document for easier access later. If you prefer a more extensive download, use a third-party tool that supports LinkedIn data extraction. Ensure that the tool complies with LinkedIn's terms of service. Follow the tool's specific instructions to extract message data. Once extracted, review the data for any formatting issues. Make necessary edits to ensure the information is clear and usable. Save your documents securely for future reference during your job hunt. By following these steps, you will have successfully gathered useful LinkedIn message search results for job hunting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.